G30 770 turbo.
Okay. You want to see what the stock 2.0 looks like? Because I just pulled up in one.
Yeah, I have to go check that out. Yeah. Yeah, this is like
you can drop the and that thing into a coffee cup.
I can put a baby's head in that thing.
I tell you this, that turbo is bigger than this motor. I can tell you that. I mean, this motor's a full built bottom end, ARP head studs, stock head. Like I said, G30 770 turbo. It's got a KSR custom manifold down there that was handmade. I mean, just welding.
That's wild.
What software are you using?
It's on a stock ECU right now. A buddy of mine named Jeff that lives in Raleigh, he remotes tuned my car for me. Yeah.
There's a good place in, I had an A4 and I did the KO4 turbo swap and stuff on it.
Mm-hmm.
Apex Tuning.
Yeah, I'm good friends with them too as well. Kevin and Kevin, yep.
Yeah, I'd go for them over Black Forest. They're good, but they're pricey.
Yeah, I used to take my car to Black Forest a lot, which they don't even like advertise stuff anymore. They didn't do their Oktoberfest this past year, so
I think they're diving. They didn't be in the woods either.
Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with them.
Yeah,
I mean, I had them work on some stuff on my car
Mm.
because I lived in Raleigh, and then I'd kind of gotten friends with one of the guys that worked there.
Right.
But then he ended up leaving, so I moved back to Goldsboro, so I stopped taking my stuff there. But
how many miles you got on the motor after you put it in?
It's probably sitting at like maybe 1,100, like 1,100, probably like 1,300 miles on it so far. Yeah, just trying to get into it a little bit.
I'll follow you here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly why I had to put my handle there, just in case if I'm never around the car and people are interested and they like it, they can always snag the Instagram.
I'm kind of an old part, and I just started getting on social.
Oh, okay.
So I just wrapped that project up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out that Focus. That looks pretty
It's
rad.
got the drift stick, semi-sequential mechanical shifter in it.
Right.
It's,
Okay.
Oh my god.
It sounds like a dream build for sure.
I blew the first motor, and then I was like, I'm not giving this car up.
Yeah, that's how I feel about this car, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty much how I feel about this car.
It's actually cheaper too if you just got the willpower to get it done.
Yeah, it took a lot of time and motivation to do this. Especially doing it like in the summertime in like 100-degree weather. It's like, yeah, it was hot.
My race was just to get it done for Christmas because I didn't want to go out there.
Yeah, true. That's why I was like, I'm glad I chose the heat over the cold. I'm so glad I did it, but it was tough.
Yeah. You did it outside?
Yep. Had my 10x10 tent. I had it like right over the hood of the car. So from basically like right here back, yep, that was my shade. And the whole car got cooked, but I was like, I'm not working over there. So we're good. We're all good.
Like stitching cord with a little fan twirling.
Right. That's the only one thing I was missing.
Yeah.
I didn't have a fan out there. I just had the tent. But I was like, you know what? It's still gonna get done regardless.
Yeah. Oh shit. How nice, that the oil cooler, or is that
this right here, this is a power steering cooler.
Oh, okay.
You know, when I first bought this car,
You need a power steering. That's it.
it just like helps like keep it cool, I guess, regulate.
Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't really, in my opinion, it doesn't really have nothing special about it, really.
I wasn't sure if you drove it hard enough, dude. I was like, dang.
I mean, don't get me wrong. Sometimes, I mean, first and foremost, this car is not a daily. This is just a car that I bring out like for an event, or just I would just want to go cruise somewhere or something. But I mean, this is just like a definitely a project car, but it's definitely not a daily. But I only bring it out on occasions like this, or you know, somebody hits me up and be like, hey, you free? There's a meet. You should bring the car. You know, something like that. Is it a built motor or?
Yeah.
Built motor? Okay.
It's a Ford Fusion 2-liter, stroked up or poured out to 2.8, sleeved down to a 2.5. It's epoxy, copper seal, Kelford cams, White Seiko boost line rods. mounting piston, copper top.
Those are the wheels that come with it?
Dude, that's nice. Wow, this is really nice. I really like that. I like that setup. That setup is fire. That's so fire. I like that.
After you blow up the first one, then you build the second one.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
I know exactly how that works.
She hates idling after she's been warmed up. I've still got some fuel pressure stuff I gotta do.
So it sounds like you should never idle. Just keep going.
He's like, don't hit the brakes.
Yeah. I'm looking for somebody to 3D print so I can finish. This was a prototype, and then they started selling them, but I had a deal with I'm trying to come up with a drop-in square box filter.
Oh, for like...
Yeah, and have an ice box here that connects to the ram air, so it's just one outward view.
So you're actually just getting direct cold air right to it? Yeah, I got you.
That's what I'm trying.
Heck yeah. I like this. This is really nice. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, and I got 2 controllers. It'll do the color change and stuff. But it gets me through the as a DRL, so I don't get trouble.
There's a...
Color's pretty fire.
So
it's powder coated, right?
Yep, powder coated alternator. Got the upgraded fuel rails, fuel lines, and injectors. E85. Upgraded fuel pressure system. Secondary fuel filter right here. So I've got one in the main line, and then I've got the second one right here. This is a 100 micron fuel filter, so it catches anything the other one doesn't catch.
Gotcha.
Upgraded the valve springs, injectors, ported heads, installed the cam, upgraded water pump, Melling high pressure oil pump as well. Replaced the radiator. It's a 4-inch radiator with electric fans on here.
All right.
And tuned transmission.
Very nice.
So getting ready to get new headers, and then the new exhaust going to have the X pipe done to it.
Okay.
Within the next couple of weeks.
All right.
It's getting there.
Heck yeah.
So we're gonna have Tesla cars.
We're going to have Lamborghini doors. The door hinges would be Lamborghini.
Oh yeah, nice, nice.
So they're actually getting ready to go off the powder coating. So they'll match the truck, so that way when the doors are open.
I do like that.
Yeah, this is not a lot of people notice it at first, and then it sneaks up on them. I
don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I like it.
Oh, I need to wash this. It's got pollen all over it. Oh, it's so nasty. But yeah, it's got the Ghost decal in the hood, and then the pinstriping is also.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Leg.
Yeah.
So it's a wrap.
I got you. It's nice, Chris. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be looking forward to catching you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.